Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Pabbly, your one-stop solution for business automation and growth. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to craft clean professional broadcasts that feel transparent, trustworthy, and brand-friendly, whether it is delivering timing adjustments, price revisions, store closures, or any new internal processes. Communicating these updates clearly can make or break your customers' trust. So without any delay, let us dive straight into how you can broadcast service updates and policy changes the professional way. So first of all, I will show you how this particular broadcast that I have sent to my customer will look to them. So for that, you can see as I have already scheduled a broadcast here and I have already sent it to myself for testing. So I will open my WhatsApp account and in here you can see I have sent this broadcast to this particular number. But as this message can't be shown on this WhatsApp web, so I will share this particular screenshot that I have captured inside my phone. Inside this screenshot, you can see this particular PDF is shown to us with the name Hello Jai Tripathi. We have an important service update from PrimeServe India. The update type is being written as increase in policy rates and it is effective from this particular date 1st of December 2025, and here it is written we have attached a summary document. These changes aim to improve your overall service experience. Tap a button below if you would like more details or assistance, and here you can see we have got these three different buttons: full details, acknowledge, or subscribe. So my customer can interact with me with the help of these following buttons. So this is how my customer will see the broadcast that I will send from my Pabbly Chatflow account. So this was the demo. Now I will show you how you can also create such an amazing broadcast for your business. So to start creating this broadcast, we will go on a new tab and enter this pabbly.com/chatflow. And after pressing this enter button, you will get directed on this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. In here you can see we have got these two different options: sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user, then you have to click on the sign up free button, and from here you can create your free account. And by creating your free account, you can avail the 100 free credits that Pabbly Chatflow gives to every new user every new month. And if you are an existing user, then you have to click on this sign in button. But before moving further, I would like to share with you guys some details about Pabbly's Facebook community. Pabbly has an amazing Facebook community of over 20,000 members where individuals share their ideas and ask questions from our experts, and here we build and grow together. So if you also want to become part of such an amazing community, then for you I will add a link of this community in the description box of this video, so you can go and join our community from there. Now being an existing user, I will go back to this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, and in here I will click on this sign in button. This will get me directed on this all apps page of Pabbly, where Pabbly has these 7 amazing and powerful applications. But today, as we are going to use this Pabbly Chatflow, so that's why I will click on this access now button. After that, you will see that I will get directed on this dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. And as soon as you are inside this dashboard, the first thing that you have to do is you have to add your WhatsApp number by clicking on this button given on the right side here, and you can select any of these two different methods: WhatsApp Connect method or manual token connect method, to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. And on the left side here, you can see Pabbly Chatflow has these following amazing features. So if you want to learn in detail about any of these following features, or if you want to learn how to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, then for that you just have to go and check out the link of those videos that I have added in the description box of this video. And after you have added your WhatsApp number, to start creating a WhatsApp broadcast for yourself, you have to go on the left side here and select this broadcast from here. After that, you will get directed on this broadcast page, and in here you can see these are all the broadcasts that I have scheduled for myself. Now to start creating a new broadcast, I just have to click on this button given on the right side here. After that, you will see that now I can create my broadcast from this particular page. So first of all, for this broadcast type, I will select this as broadcast campaign, and then we have to give a name to this broadcast. So I will name it as this service updates and policy changes, because I am creating this broadcast to update my customers about new service updates and policy changes. Now for this contact list, I will select this particular contact list which I have created, and I want to send this particular broadcast to this particular list of contacts. And in here I can select multiple contact list if I want to. And how you can create a contact list, that I will tell you by the end of this video, but right now let us work on this broadcast. So for this select message type, I can either go with this pre-approved template message or with this regular message. If I will go with this regular message, then I have to type down the particular message which I want to send to my customer. But there is a condition with this regular message, that I can send broadcast with this regular message only to those customers who are active with me for the past 24 hours. But there is no such conditions with this pre-approved template message. So as I have already created a template message and I have got it approved by Meta, that's why when I will click on this select WhatsApp template, you can see these are all the templates that I have created for myself. So from here, as I want to select this particular service update broadcast template. So here I have selected it, and how you can create a template for yourself, that I will also tell you by the end of this video. But first of all, let us fill up all of these following dynamic fields. So here you can see I have created this following dynamic fields: this name, this update type, and this effective date. So first of all, for this name, I will take help of this contact custom field which I have created to store the name of my customers. So this full name is the exact same contact custom field that I have created to store the names of my customers. And as I have typed down this particular contact custom field, with the help of this contact custom fields, the name of my customers will get mapped here automatically. And for this update type, inside this particular update type, you can add any update which you want to announce to your customer. So as I want to update my customers with a price related issue, so that's why I will type this update in policy rates, and then inside this body field 3 we have to enter the effective date from which date this particular change will get effective. So inside this particular box I will enter this date 5th of December 2025, and in here you can see, as I have said that we have attached the summary document, so that's why you can see I have created this template in this document format. Now here I will upload a document. So to upload a document, I will click on this box here, and here this particular document I want to upload, so I will select it from here, and here you can see my document is selected successfully. Now I will click on this done button, as I have successfully filled up all of these following details inside my template. So here this username and mobile number is given to us so that we can test this broadcast before sending it to bulk of our customers. So I will enter this particular username inside this username box, and in here I will enter my number. After that I will click on this send test message button, and then you will see that this WhatsApp broadcast will again get sent to my WhatsApp number. So now I will open my WhatsApp account, and in here you can see this message can be shown on WhatsApp web. That's why I have attached this second screenshot. In here you can see this particular PDF is shown to us, and you can see this hello Jai Tripathi. I have only entered the Jai inside this particular broadcast here, but you can see inside this screenshot this Jai Tripathi has been written, and this was made possible because of the contact custom field $full name that I have added while framing this particular template. So here you can see this is how my customer will receive the templates for themselves. So as this is right, so now I will go back to Pabbly Chatflow account, and here we will complete this broadcast. So now you can see to send this broadcast, I can either schedule it for later or I can send it instantly. So if I want to send it instantly, then I have to go with this no and click on this add broadcast button. But if I want to schedule it for later, then I have to click on this particular button. After that, from this calendar here, I will select any particular dates. So that's why I will send this particular template broadcast to my customer on this 30th of November at 6 p.m. and I will click on this OK button. After that, to schedule this broadcast, I just have to click on this add a broadcast button. And here our broadcast is created successfully, and it is scheduled on this November of 30th 2025. So this is how you can create a broadcast for yourself. Now I will show you how you can create a contact list for yourself. So for that I will open the contacts from here. So to create a contact for yourself, you have to click on this add contacts button, and you can add either single contact one by one, or you can also add bulk contacts by clicking on this button here. So here you just have to enter a CSV file with all the contacts, and it must be less than 50 MB and a maximum of 2 lakh contacts. And after that, when you will click on this add contacts button, your contacts will get added inside Pabbly Chatflow. And then to create a list of all those contacts, you just have to click on this plus button. After that, you will give a name to your list, add a tag if you want to, select the opted status or incoming status, and after that, from this particular box here, you have to select the contact custom field. So you can see this is the exact same contact custom field that I have selected inside my broadcast. So you have to select this contact custom fields, otherwise the details of your customer will not get changed automatically. And after selecting all of these following things, you just have to click on this add button, then your contact list will get added successfully. So this was how you can create a contact list for yourself. Now I will show you how you can create a template. So for that, you just have to go on this template list, and in here you have to click on this add template button to start creating a template for yourself. So first of all, you have to select a category of your template. You can select among this marketing, utility, authentication. So I have selected this marketing as my category. Now we have to enter a name for this template, and there is a rule that name can only be in lowercase, alphanumeric characters and underscores. Special characters and white spaces are not allowed, and here this example is also given to us. So if I will enter a name to this particular template, like this hello world. After that we have to select a language, so I will select this English, but you can select any other language if you want to. And for this template type, you can see for this particular template of mine, I have selected the document as the type, but you can select any other type from this list. Now I will select this text. So inside this text type of template, we have to enter these three different things: template header, template format, and template footer. So I will enter the template header as this hello. So you can see this is how your header will look. Inside this format, I will enter the body of this particular template, like this is a test, and you can see this is how your body will look. And inside this format, I will enter this text, and so you can see this is how your template will look to your customer. For this interactive actions, you can see we have got these 4 different buttons: none, call to actions, quick replies, or all. So if you will go with this call to actions, then inside this particular box you can enter any text like this shop now, and then inside this particular static URL box you can enter the link of your website, so that your customer, when they will click on this particular button, they will get directed to your website. And if you want to add your number, then you can just type down this text, call us, and in here first of all you have to select a country code for yourself. So I will select this India as my country code, and after that you can enter a number in which you want to get calls from your customer. Now whenever your customer will click on this button, they will be able to call you. And if you want to select this quick replies, then you just have to click on this button and type down this text okay, and here now this okay is available for your customer to select. And after selecting any interactive actions for yourself, you just have to click on the submit button to submit this particular template for review by Meta. So this is how you can create a template for yourself. So in this video, I have successfully demonstrated how you can create a template, how you can create a contact list, and at the top of that, I have successfully demonstrated how you can schedule a broadcast for yourself. So this was it. If you like this video, then please consider subscribing to YouTube channel of Pabbly. And for more such amazing videos, please do comment below on which topics do you want to see videos from us. And thank you for watching this video. Not just this, you can create many more WhatsApp chatbots to automate your business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. And for your queries, you can ask them at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you have to check up this following website. Now, what are you waiting for? Just go and create your free account at Pabbly Chatflow.